50 rupees. You can buy from a store.
But dear, it's very costly, yaar.
But it's
What's the feature?
this is this box set is 250. It's a play. It will not grow. It is very hard.
It's not
You-
no.
You made this by own?
Yes. Hello. My name is Deepika Jain. I'm the founder of Prepride and Kidpreneurs. Kidpreneurs is an event where children aged 5 to 15 years get a chance to understand how business runs, how to be a CEO, and how they can set up their own business. So today we have around 180 kidpreneurs who are running their own stalls. They are being trained. They have been trained since the last 1.5 months कि वो क्या बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, कैसे स्टॉल सेटअप कर सकते हैं. एंड टुडे दे आर रनिंग देयर ओन स्टॉल्स एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ बिजनेस रन्स.
मैम मेन किस किस चीज़ के स्टॉल्स हैं, कैसे स्टॉल्स लगाए गए बच्चों की तरफ से, कौन सी चीज़ों के लगाए गए?
So because Diwali आ रही है, a lot of them are Diwali decorations, home decor. A lot of them are game stall, fun games. There is food, there is gifting, stationery and books, anything that is related to kids and clothing also. So we have a variety of stalls today.
तो बच्चे कहाँ से आए हैं? कोई मोबिलाइज किया जा रहा है उनको, बच्चों को उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़े, कोई आपकी तरफ से?
So since the last 6 weeks, we have had classes on soft skills development and financial literacy. So they have been taught how to what kind of a business they can run. तो हम वो sessions देते हैं. For example, somebody who is good at art, so they are making they have made paintings in the last 1.5 months and now they are selling it. So, and somebody who is good at baking, they have made cupcakes or sandwiches and now they are selling it. Somebody who is good at for example just marketing, तो उन्होंने trading करी है from a wholesaler और उन्होंने अपना stall लगाया है.
ट्रेडिंग की बात करो, 5 से 15 साल की उम्र में बच्चों को पैसा कमाना, ट्रेडिंग करना, आपको लगता नहीं बच्चे पैसे की तरफ ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे?
Not at all. Actually आजकल के बच्चे they are so well ahead of time. They already know. It's good अगर हम जल्दी उनको ये समझा दें that their ethics of earning money and running a business, and they understand, उनको समझ आ रहा है that earning money is very hard. तो usually हमें ये समझ आई थी later when we started our own business. Today they are अब बच्चे ट्रेस लेके भी घूम रहे हैं. अगर उनके पास क्लाइंट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, कस्टमर्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो उनको समझ आ रही है it's not easy to earn money and a lot of hard work goes in. So उनको वैल्यू समझ आती है. उसके बाद there are also training sessions जो हमने पहले करे हैं on what to do with the earnings. जो इनकी सारी earnings इकट्ठी होंगी, will they save it, will they invest it? Because actually we have been doing this in the last 5 years. A lot of kids have invested the previous year's money into the business this year. So it's I think the financial literacy भी हम inculcate कर रहे हैं at a young age, and this is not only हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, but a lot of schools are also promoting it. For example, even at Strawberry Fields, at the age of 8 years also वो financial literacy curriculum में डाला हुआ है उन्होंने. So हम उसको practically यहाँ पे run करते हैं. Parents are very excited because जब वो excitement देखते हैं अपने बच्चों में, then वो the children want to do this, and parents of course have to work. Parents ने invest किया है अपने children के business में, parents ने time, effort, ideas दिए हैं, how guidance दिया है. So of course parents के assistance and involvement की तरह नहीं हो सकता है, but most of it it's the child, because अगर child में वो enthusiasm नहीं है तो वो parents का इतना.
इसका मैम कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस भी लगाई गई है बच्चों को या फिर कोई स्टॉल्स के लिए?
Yes, there has been a registration fees because there is a lot of costing involved. So we have had a stall rent.
तो ये फर्स्ट टाइम का किडप्रेन्योर है क्या?
No. This is the third one, and this time हमारे पास 180 kidpreneurs हैं.
तो क्या इन बच्चों को जो बढ़िया प्रेन्योर होगा, प्रेन्योरशिप करेगा, अच्छा और डील करेगा, उनको कोई प्राइज़ वगैरह भी रखा हुआ है आपकी तरफ से मोटिवेट
Yes.
करोगे?
तो अभी हमारे चीफ गेस्ट आएंगे at 4 o'clock, and हमारे once उन्होंने सारा राउंड लेंगे, then we will give them the trophies. For example, we have a lot of 5 categories. Mini CEO trophy है, future tycoon, most energetic, most creative stall. So they will get the trophies by the DC Mohali.
तो मैम आने वाले टाइम में यहीं पे लगाओगे दोबारा कि कहीं और प्लेसेस भी
Yes,
होंगी?
actually हम CP के साथ this is the second year, and यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा फुटबॉल आता है. Like you can see, it's all crowded. Kids are very happy, so we would love to participate.
सिर्फ मोहाली में करें कि पंजाब में कहीं और भी या किसी और?
We would like to do it in Punjab also.